How to level up generals in Grand War 4. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're trying to make your generals stronger and level them up faster in Grand War 4, here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Grand War 4 game on your device, and once you're inside the main lobby screen, go to General from the bottom center. From the options that appear on the screen, select Hero and choose one of the Hero or General. And once you do, click on the Level Up button at the bottom. Select the level from the top of the screen and click on the Level Up button at the bottom, and you'll be able to level up your hero. Repeat this step for every other hero you'd like to level up. Leveling up hero will require you some in-game currencies. Go ahead and choose the level at the top and click on level up. If you have enough currency, you will be able to level them up right away. If you don't have enough, you can buy it from the shop in affordable rates. So that is how you easily level up generals in Grand War 4. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.